Hey, everyone! In this video, we are diving into everything you need to know before staying at Akkaw Baler Hometel in Baler, Philippines. If you're planning a trip, make sure to use the link or scan the QR code in the description for the safest and best booking rates. The hotel's biggest selling point is its location, situated just 40 meters from Sabang Beach. You are practically steps away from the sand and surf. With a location rating of 9.3, you'll find landmarks like Duangan Bridge and the secret spot within a short walking distance. It is a perfect base for exploring the local area. The property has 21 well-appointed rooms equipped with air conditioning and private bathrooms. Each room includes a window to ensure a comfortable stay. You can stay connected with free Wi-Fi available in all rooms throughout your stay. This is great for planning your daily adventures in Baler. If you arrive late or get hungry in the middle of the night, the hotel offers 24-hour room service. This is a huge plus for travelers with irregular schedules. Traveling with kids? Children aged 0 to 7 can stay free of charge, making this a very budget-friendly option for families. Standard check-in begins at 2 p.m. and you have until 12 p.m. for checkout. This gives you a decent amount of time to enjoy your final morning in Baler. If you are renting a car or driving, there is free car parking available on site. Note that while there is an elevator, it is listed as unavailable, so keep that in mind if you have heavy luggage. Unlike many hotels, Akkaw Baler Hometel is a pet-friendly property. You can bring your furry friends along for the adventure. With a high review score of 8.6, guests generally find this 3-star hotel to be an excellent value. It strikes a great balance between service, cleanliness, and price. Akkaw Baler Hometel is a fantastic, cozy choice if you want to be right by the beach without breaking the bank. I highly recommend booking through the link or QR code in the description to ensure your reservation is secure and safe.